Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after getting so many comments, you wanted the moral of the story or explanation of the story Gopal and the Hilsa fish, which is from the NCERT textbook class 7th Honeycomb. So today in this video we are going to learn the Honeycomb textbook in English for class 7th Gopal and the Hilsa fish summary in English and Hindi both. So today in this lesson, the season of Hilsa fish and a challenge to Gopal. It was a season for Hilsa fish and it was Hilsa that everyone was talking about, and in the market fish mongers so were selling only Hilsa fish, luring customers to buy it. Even in the royal court, courtiers were talking about Hilsa. This made the king lose his temper. He believed that no one could stop the people from talking about Hilsa. Fish, not even Gopal, was wisest man in the court. The king challenged Gopal to buy a huge Hilsa fish and bring it to the palace without anyone asking him about. Gopal accepted the challenge. So, after handing for the challenge, after a few days, Gopal shaved beard from half of his face and here smeared ash on himself. He wore rags and looked disgraceful. His wife was shocked. His wife was shocked and asked him not to leave home like this. But Gopal kept on telling her that he was going to buy a huge hilsa fish. She thought Gopal had gone mad. At the market, Gopal bought a huge hilsa fish. So, after getting the huge surface and started walking towards the palace, no one noticed the fish, but everyone was looking at Gopal walking strangely with his shabby clothes. People called him mystic and mad. So, Gopal won the challenge. He went to meet the king but was stopped by the guards. He started dancing and singing loudly in front of the royal palace. The king ordered his guard to produce the man before him. Everyone in the court was shocked seeing Gopal dressed up like a mad. The king questioned Gopal about the reason for his weird asked the reason about the weird attire. Gopal reminded the king about the challenge and told him that from the market to the royal palace, no one had asked him a single word about the Hilsa fish. The king burst into laughter and accepted that Gopal had done the impossible once more. So the story is गोपाल और हिल्सा फिश की कहानी. अब इस कहानी को हम हिंदी में समझेंगे. यहाँ पर हिल्सा मछली के मिलने और मिलने का समय और गोपाल को मिलने वाली चुनौती के बारे में बात की गई है कि किस तरह से हिल्सा फिश मिलने का समय और गोपाल को ये चुनौती के तौर पर दी जाती है. तो हिल्सा मछली मिलने का समय आ गया था और हर तरफ लोग सिर्फ इसी बात की चर्चा कर रहे थे कि बाजार में मछली जो बेचने वाले मछली विक्रेता है केवल हिल्सा मछली ही अभी बेच रहे हैं और ग्राहकों को अपनी ओर आकर्षित कर रहे हैं. यहाँ तक कि राज दरबार में भी दरबारी बस हिल्सा मछली की ही बातें कर रहे थे. इस बात से राजा एकदम गुस्से में आ गए थे. अब राजा को ऐसा लग रहा था कि कोई भी हिल्सा मछली के बारे में यहाँ पर चर्चा को रोक नहीं पाएगा, यहाँ तक कि गोपाल भी नहीं. अब यहाँ पर जो कि दरबार का सबसे बुद्धिमान व्यक्ति गोपाल माना जाता था, इसलिए राजा ने गोपाल को एक मुश्किल काम सौंपा. अब वो मुश्किल काम क्या था? तो मुश्किल काम यह था कि राजा ने गोपाल को कहा कि वो बाजार जाए, एक बड़ी सी हिल्सा मछली खरीद कर दरबार में ले आए और शर्त यहाँ पर यह रखी कि कोई भी इस मछली के बारे में बात नहीं करेगा। गोपाल ने इस चुनौती को स्वीकार कर लिया। अब चुनौती का सामना करने की बारी आ गई थी। कुछ दिनों बाद गोपाल अपने आधे चेहरे पर से उसने दाढ़ी को हटा दिया और पूरे शरीर में राख मल ली। उसके बाद उसने फटे पुराने कपड़े पहन लिए और बिल्कुल भद्दा दिखने लगा। उसकी पत्नी एकदम आश्चर्यचकित हो गई। उसने गोपाल से इस हाल में बाहर नहीं जाने को कहा। इतने पर गोपाल ने सिर्फ इतना कहा कि वो एक बड़ी सी हिल्सा मछली खरीदने जा रहा है। उन्हें लगा कि गोपाल पागल हो गया है। अब पत्नी ने सोचा कि जरूर उसका पति पागल हो चुका है। अब बाजार की तरफ जाता है गोपाल। हिल्सा मछली लेने के लिए बाजार जाता है और बाजार जाकर गोपाल एक बड़ी सी हिल्सा मछली खरीद लेता है और फिर वो राजमहल की तरफ चल दिया। किसी ने भी हिल्सा मछली की तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया। सभी लोग सिर्फ गोपाल की तरफ ही देख रहे थे, जो बिल्कुल अजीब से कपड़े पहनकर चले जा रहा था। सभी लोग उसे पागल कह रहे थे। गोपाल चुनौती को सफलतापूर्वक समाप्त कर गए। अब यहाँ वो राजा से मिलने पहुंच गए, पर जो वहाँ पे गार्ड थे यानी कि रक्षक लोग थे, उन्होंने उसे रोक लिया। वे राजा के महल के सामने ही नाचने लगा और गाने लगा। राजा ने आदेश दिया कि उस व्यक्ति को पकड़कर उसके सामने पेश किया जाए। दरबार में सभी गोपाल को एक पागल के जैसे कपड़े पहने देखकर दंग रह गए थे। राजा ने गोपाल को इस अजीब पोशाक को पहनने का कारण पूछा। अब गोपाल ने राजा को उस चुनौती के बारे में याद दिलाया और कहा कि बाजार से जब मैं यहाँ तक इस हिल्सा मछली को लेकर आया तो महल तक आते वक्त किसी ने भी उसे हिल्सा मछली के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पूछा। सो अब यहाँ पर अ, राजा जोर से हंस पड़ते हैं। राजा जोर से हंस पड़े और उन्होंने स्वीकार कर लिया कि गोपाल ने एक बार और असंभव को संभव कर दिखाया है। तो ये थी मोरल ऑफ दिस स्टोरी, जो है हमारे लेसन गोपाल एंड द हिल्सा फिश क्लास 7 एनसीईआरटी का चैप्टर। So, from this story, if we have to write the summary in short, so what is the summary of Gopal and Hilsa Fish? Who was Gopal? So, in the lesson, Gopal and Hilsa Fish. So, Gopal was one of the wise men in the king's court. When the king was fed up with ongoing talks about Hilsa Fish, he challenged Gopal. Gopal happily accepted the challenge of buying a huge hill surface from the market, and to ensure on the way from the market to the palace no one should talk him about the fish. And here who scolded the courtiers? Everyone in the kingdom, sellers, buyers, and even the courtiers were all busy discussing the hill surface. One day the courtier was telling the king about the huge hill surface he had caught. However, the king was fed up with the topic discussion and scolded the courtiers. Here So, NCRT page 42, question number 1 is here. Why did the king want to more talk about the hill surface? So, answer is everyone around the king was talking about hill surface. This had infuriated the king. So, he didn't want anyone to talk about the hill surface. And what did the king ask Gopal to do to prove that he was clever? The king asked Gopal to buy a huge hill surface from the market to ensure that no one should talk him about the fish on the entire way from the market to palace. And what three things did Gopal do before he went to buy his hill surface? Here, Gopal half shaved his face and here he smeared ash on his body himself and wore rug before going out to buy Hilsa fish. How did Gopal get inside the palace to see the king after he had bought the fish? So Gopal started singing and dancing in front of the palace at a loud voice. The king heard the noise and asked the man to be brought inside. And here, question number 5 is explain why no one seemed to be interested in talking about the Hilsa fish which Gopal had bought. Here, no one was interested about the Hilsa fish Gopal had bought because of Gopal's condition. He was wearing rug, his face was half shaven, and ash was smeared over his body. So, people were more interested in this appearance, in his appearance than the fish. Okay, so these were the question answers of this lesson. I hope you well understood this lesson. If you have any doubt, you may write in comment section. So keep learning and keep watching. Thanks for watching.